Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming eligibility and creating or linking your AdSense account. Go to YouTube Studio, open monetization, and start the enrollment flow now. Provide accurate country and currency choices. Do this early because it affects tax and payout formats. Once done, accept terms and follow the prompt to link an existing AdSense account or create one. Make sure your channel information matches your bank and tax records. This prevents later payment holds. Next, you verify identity and complete billing forms so earnings can flow. Fill in tax information honestly. This affects withholding rates and why. Choose the payment threshold. Most creators use $100, but you can set different thresholds if available. Enter bank details exactly, then confirm via micro deposit verification when AdSense sends small test amounts. Once verified, payments will route to your account. Keep records of displayed payment cycles and expected month-end. Finally, confirm your scheduled payout by reviewing the payments page in AdSense and YouTube Studio. Check the upcoming payment date and download the monthly report to reconcile revenue, fees, and adjustments. If you see a pending or held payment, first check AdSense for alerts. Often the issue is an unverified bank, missing tax form, or name/address mismatch. If those are correct, contact Google support. Otherwise, correct the field, re-verify, and expect release on the next payment cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.